Things that do not break wudu 168. The following do not break abdest. 1. Tears and water from the eyes without illness or crying. 2. Blood, pus, and yellow fluid seen in wounds and similar tears but not flowing out. 3. A piece of skin that has come off from a wound. 4. Fungal infection and swelling between the fingers. 5. Frozen blood mixed with spit or mucus, provided IT is less than half. 6 worms coming out of the ear, nose, OR wound. These worms are clean. The moisture on them is little. They have nitrogen monoxide flowing power. 7. Vomit that does not fill the mouth. 8. Phlegm that descends from the head or rises from within, even if it fills the mouth, does not invalidate ablution. Because phlegm is sticky and slippery, IT does not absorb impurity. The moisture on IT is also minimal. This ruling is according to Imam Azam and Imam Muhammad. According to Imam Abu Yusuf, a mouthful of phlegm coming from the internal cavity breaks WUDU 0.9, whether IT has a smell or not. Gas emitted from the genital organs of men and women 0.10. A syringe removed from the back end that is dry and odorless. Along with this, IT is appropriate to renew wudu as a precaution. 11. Oil that returns after being dripped onto the male genital organ. This is according to Imam Azam 12. A piece of blood vomited in a coagulated state. 13. Blood that flows from the head to the nose or ear, but does not reach the place that must be washed in ghusl. 14. Blood stains seen on the miswak and brush, used or on hard fruits bitten into, whose flow is unknown. 15. Blood sucked by insects such as fleas, ticks, mosquitoes, and black flies until their stomachs are full. If a leech falls after sucking blood until its stomach is full and blood comes out of it, it invalidates ablution. 16. Shaving the hair, trimming the mustache, cutting the nails. 17. Sleeping while sitting with the buttocks completely placed on the ground. 18. Falling asleep while standing, sitting, bowing, or prostrating during prayer. 19. Laughing out loud outside of prayer, during funeral prayers or during tilawat prostration. According to the Shafi'is, laughing out loud during prayer does not invalidate wudu. 20. Smiling, tabassum, in a voice that neither oneself nor others can hear. This does not invalidate ablution, nor does it invalidate prayer. However, laughing in a voice that only one can hear does not invalidate wudu, but it does invalidate prayer. 21. Touching anyone's body or genital organ with one's hand. According to the Malikis, if a responsible person touches a part of a woman's body that is near puberty and is exposed, or a part that is covered by something thin and light with the intention of deriving pleasure, their abdest is broken. The same applies to pleasure felt without intention, even if the woman is a relative. Touching or clinging with the intention of pleasure voids wudu. According to the Shafi'is, touching any part of a foreign woman's body without any barrier invalidates ablution. Even if there is nitrogen monoxide taste, the ruling still applies. Exceptions to this are a woman's hair, teeth, and nails. Touching these, even if there is a taste, does not invalidate wudu, again. According to the Shafi'is, if a man or a woman touches his or her own or another person's anus or genital organs with the palm of his or her hand without any obstacle, his or her abdest is broken. This is also the case according to the Maliki and Hanbali schools of thought. However, according to these schools, a woman touching her own genitals does not invalidate her ablution. Note, it is better to err on the side of caution in such controversial matters. A person who follows the Hanafi school of thought, when faced with a situation that invalidates ablution according to another school of thought but not according to their own, should perform ablution to avoid controversy. Such action is especially recommended for imams.